Hey guys, this is EYO and to alarms, and this will be fire alarm system test 50. This is a requested system test. And this will be the last ever request video that I'll ever do. There's no more after that. So anyway, this will be the last requested devices video, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Anyway, so panel like normal. You can see there's the 10UD. We still have the key switch here. I'm not going to be doing the heat detector in the attic today. Just not doing it today. Sorry about that. You see it activate on the last system test. So there's the panel. We have the Simplex 2901 92. Oh no, I'm sorry. 2098 9201 from Mr. Fire Alarm. It's requested by Mr. Fire Alarm. We have the 7002T with the light. This is not the strobe, this is the light. It's requested by Alarmo, and this will be doing continuous. That's right, I said continuous. We have the Firelight BG12, which is requested by Connor. We have the Wheelock RSS, requested by EAS Star. Requested by Elevator Fan, we have the Simplex 104 911 strobe. And since he was the first requester, he gets also request the Notifier BNG1 logo alarm version, which is still here. And it's also requested by Elevator Fan, because Elevator Fan 16, no, Elevator Fan 19, because he was the first requester, so he gets two devices. Requested by Hemi the Cat, we have the Cerberus Biotronics of Insight 10B. Annunciator. Requested by 123A and Discord, we have a 1812. Smoke detector is a 12-volt detector on the 12-volt line. Requested by Prism, we have the Wheelock MT 24L VFR on a 405083 light plate. It looks kind of weird because, and it looks kind of cringe because, yeah. Though actually, I didn't request it, Prism did, so yeah. Anyway, I think we're going to go ahead and get started in the back room here, because that's what we're going to do. So, here we go. Yeah, that is loud. Holy crap, wow, that's loud. Yeah, I'm not gonna be doing, well, you know what, let's just go ahead and do it. That is loud. There we go. Reset that pulsation. Okay, we'll reset from the panel here if I can open it. Key off a little bit. Zone 4 pulsation back room, so I'm going to reset. So let's do the 2098 9201 smoke detector from Mr. Fire Alarm. So, here we go. I'll let that clear out for a second. Reset. Okay, there it is. Now we're going to do the BG12. So, here we go. So the interesting thing about this 7002T that I modded, it's got two bulbs in it. I actually put like two 12-volt bulbs in series, makes 24 volt. So yeah, just in series. All right, we'll go reset this pull station here. The neighbors are probably gonna be hating me right now.
What is wrong with you, mister?
Yeah, because you guys requested me to put this on continuous. And we'll reset here. Okay. Reset. Let's set it to 1812. There it goes. Get that silence and just clear that out with let's blow it out here. So blow it out clearly. Throw flashing on the MT. And we'll reset the navstator. Okay. Last but not least, I am going to do the BNG1 local alarm version, and now on the test. So we'll do that right now. Here's the BNG1TS local alarm version requested by Elevator Fan 19. Silence that. Let's go ahead and reset that pull station. Okay, there it is, reset. And we'll just reset from the navstator here. All right. I kind of actually want to see what how it looks like in March time. I actually want to see how that looks like. CNAC 1, 2 coding March time. So that looks like in March time. We'll do a manual evacuation or a drill. This button right here. My thumb is. Reset it from there. Set press reset says silence, but whatever. That's how it looks like in March time. So I was wondering how that looks like in March time, but yeah. So there it is, guys. That is going to be system test 50 or fire alarm system test 50. Okay, that was it. So there it is, guys. So that is fire alarm system test 50 or fire alarm system test 50. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This will be the last requested video, the last requested devices video, because no one's actually interested. I usually do it on my Discord server, but apparently nobody's interested, or they just ignore the server. So yeah, My neighbors hate me now for doing that, but you get the idea. I didn't request the thing. You did. Or if I get like a citation, yeah. But anyway, so there it is, guys. There it is. That was so cringe. But yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please join my Discord server, and or a great day.